Welcome to Inside Business Today. You know, every day millions of professionals and DIYers rely on the tools and hardware products that keep projects moving. But most people don't realize the massive infrastructure behind making sure those products are available when and where they're needed.
Our next guest leads a company that has quietly become one of the most important partners in the hardware and home improvement industry. Please welcome John Michael Adinolfi. He is the CEO of the Hillman Group. Hey, how are you?
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you.
Appreciate having me here today.
Yeah.
Let's dig right in. And Hillman's been around for 60 years. Can you let people at home know just the big picture of what Hillman Group does?
Absolutely. So the Hillman Group started in 1964. Really proud of the heritage of this company. Started in Cincinnati, Ohio. Now a North America focused company. We've got thousands of professionals all over North America supporting home improvement in both the pro and the DIYer. So we sell products like fasteners, nuts and bolts, screws, gloves, work gear, keys. If you got a key cut at a retailer, you probably use one of our machines and one of our blanks. So we are a really important business to be able to make sure that we keep consumers moving and we keep product flowing to our partners. We sell through distribution, so we work with all great retailers, and we keep hundreds of thousands of SKUs flowing to their locations. We ship over 40,000 locations all across North America.
Wow, that's amazing. You guys are major.
We are. We do quite a bit of business, move a lot of volume.
Wow, I mean, you guys are definitely one of the largest in the space, but you come from humble beginnings, right?
Yeah, we absolutely do. So really proud of the story. Max Hillman Sr. and his wife Alice started the company in 1964 right in Cincinnati, Ohio, which is where we're still headquartered today. And they built that business from one location and continued to grow it. They actually had family members come into the business. Mick and Rick Hillman joined the business in the 70s and 80s and 90s into the 2000s and ran it for over 30 years. I'm really proud to have the opportunity to be the CEO now, the sixth in the company's history. But really the way that they started with a family-owned business, doing the right thing for their customers is really important to me. And we love that. It's really important, one of the values we have today.
And you're setting your growth, pretty high. Like you have a pretty aggressive growth plan. What's driving that growth?
Yeah, so for us, we've really focused when the company was, really started growing really quickly, the 90s into the 2000s, the company doubled down on retail, did a great job working with a lot of our retail partners that were still strong relationships today, and did not really focus on the pro side of the business. As we've now, we had our investor day actually just a few months ago, we came out and talked about $2.5 billion growth target. Wow. So we're a $1.6 billion company today. And we're doing that by expanding our pro business. We service some of the pro through retail channels today, but now we put resources behind expanding our pro presence, continuing to launch high quality products, and making sure that we can support those customers wherever they need to buy their materials.
What would you say differentiates Hillman from other competitors in your space?
Yeah, the big thing, Giuliana, that we're really proud of, a couple things. One is our 1,200 plus sales and service professionals across the country and North America. We have men and women out in stores each and every day, taking care of the customer, making sure that their sets are ready and they're ready for business, making sure they have solid product on the shelf. And that's really what sets us apart. Another piece is our pick pack distribution. We shipped over 40,000 locations all across North America. On time and in full is really important to us. So making sure we can flow that product, our people can make sure it's on the shelf, and then we can help our partners take care of their end users.
What operational improvements are you making?
For us, the big thing has been, we've got over 20 distribution centers across North America, Bill. We're really excited in the Cincinnati area. Kind of a fun project for us is Rick and Mick Hillman, who I mentioned earlier, they made a big bet. They put a big state-of-the-art distribution center in place in we call Carillon in Cincinnati in the late 90s. We are now actually in the process of building that. We're going to put a state-of-the-art facility, making a huge investment in the area, local investment in the community and our people there. And that investment in distribution is going to allow us to serve our customers better, be more efficient, and really fuel that growth that I mentioned earlier.
What about innovation? Like what sort of innovation are you all tapping into?
Yeah, for us, a lot of people think of fasteners, you'd be like, well, not that innovative. Well, our teams, we've got engineers in Toronto, Canada, Cincinnati, Ohio, Tempe, Arizona, Atlanta, Georgia. We have people working on different products. So for us, over 90% of what we sell are our company and our brands, a lot of the products we've developed. So innovation for us, one of the areas I'd say I'm probably most proud of is what we're doing in structural screws and fasteners. As you think about a screw or nut and bolt, you say, well, probably hasn't changed that much.
Right.
Well, our teams are out there always working on different innovations and type changes to make that fastener go in more quickly, hold more, and be stronger and last longer. And we launched Power Pro last year into this year. We're really excited about taking that next generation of that moving forward. That would be an example of innovation and what we're really excited about.
Speaking of innovation, let's take a closer look at how Hillman is powering the hardware industry through innovation, service, and operational excellence, giving them the business edge.
Every day, millions of people build, repair, improve, and maintain the spaces where life happens. But whether it's a contractor on a job site or a homeowner tackling a weekend project, success often depends on something deceptively simple: having the right product in the right place, exactly when it's needed. For more than 60 years, the Hillman Group has helped solve that challenge. Founded in Cincinnati in 1964 as a small fastener business, Hillman has grown into one of North America's leading providers of hardware products and merchandising solutions. Serving retail, professional distribution, and industrial MRO customers with a portfolio of more than 111,000 SKUs. What sets Hillman apart isn't just the breadth of its product portfolio, it's the service model behind it. With more than 1,200 field sales professionals, direct-to-store distribution, and long-standing retail partnerships, Hillman doesn't simply ship products into stores. It helps manage categories, improve merchandising, and make sure the shelf is stocked with the right solution for the job.
We have some of our largest customers we've done business with for over 25 years. And so our goal has always been to provide, as a key way of how we support our customers, reliable products and services at the heart of that. So as we continue to think about the future, our goal is really to make sure that we're focused on where the consumer's going and we're going to meet their needs there.
At the center of Hillman's growth is a simple idea: solve real-world problems in ways that are practical, dependable, and easy for customers to use. That solutions-oriented mindset has helped the company expand far beyond its fastener roots into adjacent categories, new retail environments, and a growing presence in the pro channel. That growth is fueled by innovation. Inside Hillman's Innovation Center, ideas are tested, refined, and reworked long before they ever reach a retail shelf. Engineers and designers evaluate everything from durability and ease of use to installation, performance, and packaging, using real-world feedback to develop products that don't just look good on paper, but work where it matters most, in the hands of the end user.
The main thing that we really focus on is to make sure that that's effective and efficient. We pull all of the teams together early. So collaboration is really the key, making sure everybody is aware, aligned, and takes the appropriate action. Secondarily, we follow a 5-step stage gate process, which starts with the discovery, which is the insights, the definition, the design, the development, and then delivery.
Across its operational footprint, including its new Forest Park facility, the company is investing in what it calls a distribution center of the future, designed to strengthen fulfillment, improve efficiency, and better serve customers at scale. Nowhere is that execution more visible than at the store level. For retailers like Burgraff's Ace Hardware in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, having an organized, reliable fastener and hardware solution isn't just operationally helpful. It directly shapes the customer experience. When shoppers can find the right part quickly, get help from knowledgeable staff, and trust the product on the shelf, everyone wins.
I think Hillman has done a really good job of understanding the consumer and the contractor needs. With 8,000 SKUs back here, we have to be fast, we have to be organized, and we have to have a lot of product on hand to be trusted in the community, so when they come in, we have what they need.
Because when the right products, the right service, and the right partnerships come together, progress gets built.
So I know culture plays a big role in your company, as it should, in most companies that are thriving, that are growing. Tell us about what kind of culture you've created at Hillman.
Yeah, I would say it was created long before me, but we like to keep carrying the torch forward, Bill. For us, culture and people first is really important. We're not perfect, just like many companies out there, but we strive to make sure we take care of our associates, give them opportunities to grow, keep on growing the business so that we have opportunities to move forward and move our communities to the next level. So for us, people first, I would say, is our most important value, if you will. And I think that's one of the things that makes Hillman great is our resilience. You know, often in different circumstances, we're sometimes the first people in. If there's a natural disaster in an environment, we're with our customers and our partners. Our sales and service associates are in the stores when they're reopening stores. So for us, that hardworking culture, that get it done and take care of the customer is something I'm really proud of what we do. And one of the things that I think makes us different than our competition.
That's such a great point, because people don't realize when there is a natural disaster, a crisis, if you don't have product, these people can't get their lives back. So, I mean, it's such an important role that most people and I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, Bill, I really is. So thank you for making that point, because it really is something that differentiates us. But having so many people in the field, we're able to help those local communities, our partners, and really get things back moving again. And it's hard and it's difficult. We really appreciate all our people do out in the field.
And for you personally, the industry is deeply connected to family, isn't it?
It is. It is. My father and grandfather were both builders. Growing up around the trades as a young guy, being on job sites, seeing what it is important to get the job done, do it right, and take care of people was something that was instilled in me when I was young. My father had a great work ethic, and that's something I like to try and hold near and dear to my heart. And then so shortly after school, I did go to school for accounting, but quickly got pulled into the tool industry, and then fasteners is where I am today. I just love home improvement, and I love helping people get things done.
What excites you about the future?
I think the future is really exciting. I think our economy in the U.S., I'm really excited and bullish about where we're going to go. I'm super excited about the fact that we have so much opportunity. The housing market has been challenged. We continue to make our business better through that period of time. We're working right alongside our partners and our customers as they take care of the end users, and I think there's a ton of opportunity. The biggest one for us is expansion to the pro. Today, pro is about 30% of our business. We have aspirations to make it a larger piece. We don't want to shrink the DIY portion of our business. We want to support that, but continue to grow the pro. And I think with what we've done recently, and we've expanded into some of our pro areas by adding new products and innovation and sales resources, we're able to expand the markets that we serve. We play in a $6 billion, DIY, I'll say retail market. Yeah. Now we have an $18 billion market that we can play in. So we've got big aspirations and a lot of work to do.
That's good. Well, no pressure.
None.
And how can viewers learn more?
So you can visit hillmangroup.com to go check out our site. We are listed on the NASDAQ, so HLMN is our ticker.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time.
The Hillman products, right?
The Hillman products. Thank you so much. Appreciate
Thank you.
it.
This was such a pleasure. Thank you. And we will see you next time right here on Inside Business Today.